It's that girl. What's up, Golden Babes? We're back with another video, and this one's gonna be a real quick, straight to the point video, and that is how to save money as a content creator, or where to start saving money as a content creator if you are a beginner or been in the game. And if you've been in the game, you probably can testify to what I'm about to say. Okay, so I know that you think when being a content creator that you need to go out and get all this expensive equipment, the best of the best, newest tripods, newest ring lights, all that good stuff. And you can if you really can't afford it and it's not going to be eating at your pocket. But I'm gonna be honest, there are some people I know who they only use one thing and one thing only, and that is their phone. Your phone is literally all you need to do any of the content you're thinking about, whether that is fashion, food, YouTube, anything. You just need your phone. I know people with 30K, 50K, 100K on YouTube who still use their phone. And honestly, your phone is more convenient. Fits everywhere with you. It literally can go anywhere with you without being such a hassle to carry around. And that's why I just say start off with your phone. Another way to save money is finding things in your house to start doing content with. If you realize that maybe being a content creator, you've been getting stagnant, or brands are not hitting you back fast enough, or maybe you're just not getting all the collaborations you've been wanting, and you really want to fill up that schedule with content, go around your house and figure out what you have. You may have skincare products that you love that you may not have talked about. Make a content video or content in general just for that brand. You may have your favorite set. You're like, oh my gosh, I can make an outfit out of this real fast. You can do that. It is so easy to find content around your house that you don't even know about that you can get started today. And that's another easy way to save money. I know a lot of people will go out and spend money because they want new things so they can shoot content with. And again, get in where you fit in. I'm not going to tell you don't do that. But I'm also going to say, if you're trying to save a little bit of money this season and you just in general want to just grow your experience and grow who you are as a content creator and your skills, you can literally start around your house. The list is endless of what you can do. So that's another way to save money as a content creator. Another thing, and I would say my last tip, y'all know how I am with these videos, quick, straight to the point. Why are we talking? Why are we here forever? Another great tip is to collaborate. Now, I know you might be saying, well, what would I be collaborating with? Who would I be collaborating with? And really, that's your decision. You can reach out to photographers and collaborate with on a photo shoot or an iconic look that you guys can put together and maybe publish into a magazine. You can collaborate with 2 chefs in your city and put together a little game show. When it comes to being a creative, you need to live by that. You know what I mean? So being creative is literally being inspired by every little thing that you can think of. Taking nothing, turning it into something. That's what being a creative is. If you think a creative is just getting in front of your camera and putting on clothes and all that stuff, I know it may seem like that, but a real creative will literally take nothing and turn it into something because your brain is just always on go on. What can I do now? What can I do now? This is what will separate you because you know how to work with limited options or limited things to use. And this will build, again, that creativity, that motivation of working behind it. And you will shock yourself on what you can create when you have minimum to nothing to work with or things you never thought you could work with. It is tricky, but that's the fun part about it, is creating something that maybe no one has thought about, or creating something that is a trend. And guess what? Now you started a new TikTok trend and you didn't even realize it just by simply finding things in your house, doing things in your house, or reaching out to other people and collaborating. And again, all these things that I'm telling you that you can create on your phone, what you carry around every day, you can literally just do it with your phone. And I hope this video was helpful for you. This was a real quick and spontaneous video. I did not think about this video until literally now. I mean, can you tell? I hope this video was helpful. If it is, let me know in the comments. Thank you again, guys, for tuning in. Let me know what you want to see. You know, we can start that now. And like I always say, smell good, still smile, and stay golden, golden babes. And I will catch you in the next one. Bye.